Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal University School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is Chapter 3, CBQ 1, Lecture Nong 13. Okay? Now, look, today I have selected a CBQ question which is taken from your Chapter 3. But you didn't find out this question. But on the basis of chapter 3, this question is made. Okay, student? At first you read the question. The total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is taka 14,550 taka. The price of one shirt is taka 450. Student, this is the stamp. Now question, a number 2 tens into 5 equal to what? B number question, what is the price of 15 shirts? C number, what is the price of 12 pants? Okay student, at first I will solve the question Nong A. Look, 2 tens into 5. 2 tens into 5. We know that 1 10 equal to 10. Okay, 1 tens equal to what? 10. Therefore, 2 tens equal to what? 2 tens equal to 20. 20, 25, 5 multiply. Then you get what? 100. Okay, student? Now, write. Therefore, 2 tens into 5 equal to what? 100. Okay student, this is the answer. Answer is 100. Now I will solve the B number question. Please see. What is the price of 15 shirts? Look, the price of one shirt is given 450 taka. Okay, right here. The price of one shirt is taka 450. Okay. Therefore, the price of 15 shirt, you look, the price of 15 shirt is taka what? 450 into 50. Okay student, now you have to multiply. Right here 450 into 15. Look, 5 0 are 0, 5 5s are 25. So put here 5 and you have 2 in your hand. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. Now 0, 0 1s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4. Now adding 0, 5, 7, 6. Okay student? Now right here, taka 6,750. Therefore, the price of 15 shirt is taka 6,750 taka. Write the answer now. Answer 6,750 taka. Student, look, now I will solve the C number question. What is the price of 12 pants? Look, the price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is 14,550 taka. Okay, if we subtract the total price of 15 shirt from the total price of 15 shirt and 12 pants, then we get the price of 12 pants. Okay student, write at first write from B we got the price of 15 shirt is taka 6,750. Okay, 6,750. Now write the total price of 15 shirts and 12 pants is taka how much? 14,550. Okay, 14,550 taka. Now we have got already the price of 15 shirt is 6,750. Right now the total price of 15 shirts is taka how much? 6,750. Okay, now if we subtract the price of 15 shirt from the total price of 15 shirt and 12 pants, then you get the price of 15 pants. Okay, therefore the price of 12 pants is taka. Subtract now 0, 0. Look, 5 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So you have to consider 5 as 15. 15 minus 7 equal to what? 8. And you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 6, that means 7. Now we have to subtract 7 from 4, but we cannot subtract. So you have to consider 4 as what? 14. 14 minus 7 equal to what? 14 minus 7 equal to 7. Okay? That means the price of 12 pant is what? 7,800 taka. Right, the answer 7,800 taka. Okay student, this is the CVQ. I hope this CVQ is very easy for you. Dear student, there is no HW, but remember you have to practice this today's class. Okay dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.